This is where we are. Beautiful sunset flight.
Oh my god, he has a bomb.
Bruh. Your nephew Kyler is being a dumbass.
Oh, it's his vlogs.
Sorry, a Dumas.
Dumas, that's the last name of my friend. We just call him Idiot though. Because it rhymes.
Idiot rhymes with Dumas?
Yeah. Do you like to smile on the vlogs?
I don't like to.
Oh, well, sorry. Is that a weed pen? Uncle Che. Oh, sorry.
Just gonna blank out the Wi-Fi in there.
What's going on over here?
Building a bomb.
Jay, I still have to graduate here. Can you wait?
Oh fuck yeah, Amy, just say you were trying to stop us.
No, stop.
Is this an academic sin? Would you have to run around naked 3 times to undo it?
Bruh, I'll do
If
it.
you want to run around naked.
I think running around naked.
I'm a minor.
I had this really mean guy with a drone at Palace the other day.
I'm sorry, what?
This really mean guy with a drone was at Palace.
It was Uncle Che.
It was, yeah. Yeah, the like 50-year-old bald white man was Uncle Jay.
Oh, there's the Holy Grail.
Oh, yeah. Kira, it's the bomb.
It's the Holy Grail.
That was next door.
I feel like I could climb this. Would I get shot?
By me, yeah.
She's throwing a knife
So, what's up with the weird little wisps you got on your face?
Oof.
My goatee.
Bruh.
Your goatee.
That's one name for it.
I'm basically Marlin at this point. Charlie Uber Jr. What are you doing? Did I break it?
I should repair it.
Amy, why isn't your name here? That's what I thought. Let's walk away from Uncle Che so he gets a weird looks about it. What the fuck is this guy? What are you doing, bro?
Welcome to HTX. Turn around.
Doing some photography.
We're filming a movie. We're filming a film. Student project.
Yeah, well, you gotta start doing your student films if you're gonna be a film student.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Can do them better than Kira's.
Thank
Thank you. I'm not the only one. Kira read it, and I'm like, wow, this is what 4 years. Even Kira, even Amy. Kira was reading. I'm like, this is what 4 years of film school does.
Or should I say, fuck you?
Yeah, sure, it was hard to act. So I was like,
4 years. It's amazing. It's amazing.
It was not very, it was quite, it didn't flow well.
No, it's just like a corny
Alright,
teenage
here you go.
romance. I can fly?
No.
Oh.
You can
Watch. Fly?
fucking watch.
Oh. And then can I fly?
when you get angry, because we had a bunch of students, not international students, like study abroad students, coming off the beach and like interrupting our shots and things. But instead of seeing us and being quiet, they kept, they were loud, and one of them kept coming in and like, oh, what are you doing? And I knew from the moment we looked back on Pat was like, and so instead,
You aged
I just
like 20 years.
raised my voice, basically yelled. I was like,
Welcome to HTX.
You look like you're having a stroke right now.
Alright.
no, yeah. And then anytime they ask questions, it's not in the middle of the shot, so you have to hurry.
Uncle Che look homeless.
Yeah. I was just like, so
Or, you know, I mean,
we both pictured it.
Flight mode, flight mode.
By about a year.
Actually, I don't think it's working.
it's a big monster.
So you might have to
Turn it on and off.
turn on your receiver because you're an audience member.
So tap and hold the button.
No.
Oh, there it is. It's on.
Okay.
If you crash this, like, would you be so disappointed? Is this gorilla big? Wow! That's pretty.
All right, is this enough? Have we gorilla whooped enough?
Yeah, I think we have.
Oh, who's that? That person looks official. Hello. Oh, okay.
I know it's really lightweight, but these buildings are 100 individual.
Yeah.
It's like one of them, and it's
Okay.
thousands of pounds worth of damage.
No, that's fair. Thank you.
No worries. Are you visiting, or
Yeah.
are you staying with us?
No, we're just passing through. We'll get out of here.
No worries. That's fine. And the other thing to be wary of is we're just outside it, but Lucas has a flight restriction zone.
Oh, okay. Because I checked the app, and the app said that it was okay to fly.
So St Andrews is just out with it. But if you go much further that way, you'll run into it.
Well, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Thank you
Not
very
allowed
much.
to fly here.
Take care.
Sad.
Thanks.
Is it just the one
Not
drone
allowed
you
to fly.
Yep. This little one.
Who? Oh.
Okay, sorry to ruin fun.
No. It's beautiful. Got about 40 seconds of beautiful footage.
Uncle Jay did.
I was walking along, I heard the buzz, and I was like, oh, I know what that is. Oh dear. Okay, right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We're getting us in trouble.
Did you get a shot at least? Huh? Did you get a shot? Yeah, Uncle Jay did. Gorilla Whoop did. Good gorilla whoop, Uncle Jay.
Officially gorilla whoop St. Andrews.
There you go. He was just about to land as well.
He's just about to land? Oh, really?
We need a quiet one.
I don't think quiet drones exist, do they? Aren't they all loud?
That one's pretty quiet.
Clearly not quiet enough.
He just said he was like, I heard it from.
Heard the buzz and was like, oh,
Yeah,
no.
see, look, it's the holy hand grenade.
Yeah.
They're all over
Yeah.
the place. That makes me very happy.
Oh, great, you found it.
Yes. Now we need a small white rabbit to blow up. Exactly.
Yeah, but Carla,
It's a duck.
I don't know.
Kyla,